Uploading a PDF file to Mailchimp allows you to share documents with your audience through your email campaigns. Here's how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Navigate to the Content Studio. Click on the Content Studio tab from the dashboard. This is where you manage and upload files, images, and other media. Upload your PDF. In the Content Studio, click the Upload button. Choose Upload Files from the drop-down menu. Select the PDF file from your computer that you want to upload. You can drag and drop the file into the upload area or browse to find it. Add details and save. Once uploaded, the PDF will appear in the Content Studio. You can add tags or notes if needed to help organize your files. Use the PDF in your campaign. When designing your email campaign, you can include a link to the PDF. Click on the link or button block in your email builder and insert the URL of the PDF from the Content Studio. Save and test. Save your changes and send a test email to ensure that the link to the PDF works correctly and that the file is accessible.